In this tutorial, you will learn how to remove a subdomain redirect in Plesk. Log into your Plesk account. In the Websites and Domains interface, all the domains and subdomains are shown here. There is a hosting settings icon for each domain. Click to go to the hosting settings interface of the subdomain whose settings you wish to change. Notice that the hosting type is forwarding and the domain is redirected to the destination address. To remove the redirect, click to change the hosting type to website hosting from forwarding and then click OK. Success! We have removed the subdomain redirect. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.